Today, we're taking a look at the Roborock Saros 10. Huge thanks to Roborock for sending us this unit, but as always, we're giving you our genuine opinion. If you're interested, you'll find a purchase link in the description. Let's jump into the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the vacuum itself, a multi-purpose station ramp, gray power cord, an extra dust bag with one pre-installed, and a variety of product literature, including a massive quick start guide. Setup is straightforward. Snap the station ramp in place, plug it in, charge it up, and you'll fill the clean water tank. You're good to go. After our first cleaning run, the Saros 10 picked up exactly what you'd expect in a home with 5 people. 3 of them with long hair and a long-haired dog. Hair, crumbs, dirt, and fine dust. One major improvement we noticed right away was the redesigned main and side brushes. Hair tangling, completely gone. Roborock has adopted a conical brush design similar to what we've seen from Narwhal and Dreamy, and it works. Their new Duo Divide roller system is a real standout here. With over 100 robot vacuums tested, we're evaluating the Saros 10 against our baseline averages. In terms of pricing, it's firmly in flagship territory, sitting at the top of Roborock's lineup alongside the similar Saros 10R. Differences between the two include suction power, navigation tech, and the mopping system. At this price point, we expect elite performance in standout features. And guess what? The Saros 10 delivers. Suction power is rated at 22,000 pascals, the highest we've seen from Roborock or any vacuum that we've tested. The previous high was the Dreamy X50 Ultra at 20,000 pascals. Airflow, measured in CFM, came in slightly below average at 7.0, just under the 10R 7.4 CFM, but in our real-world suction test, the Saros 10 outperformed the 10R significantly, 445 FPM versus 343 FPM. With an average around 405 FPM from the competition. Our ultimate benchmark, the Carpet Deep Clean test, gave the Saros 10 a perfect 100 out of 100, a first for any Roborock model. The 10R scored 95. Despite the high suction power, the Saros 10 is only 2 decibels louder than average. An impressive feat. Unless you've got a decibel meter, you probably won't notice the difference. One standout feature is the Saros 10's ability to completely detach and leave its mop pad at the station during carpet vacuuming. This is a first for non-rotating mop systems and a smart workaround to the limitation of lift-only designs. When it comes to protecting carpets, avoiding contact altogether is the most effective solution, and Roborock nailed it. The Roborock app, available on iOS and Android, is powerful, intuitive, and packed with features. You can select from multiple cleaning modes, whole home, room-specific, zone, or routine cleaning, and fine-tuned suction, scrub intensity, water flow, and pathing. There's support for multi-floor mapping, customizable no-go zones, and full control over the dock, including emptying the dustbin, washing the mop, and initiating drying cycles. It also includes smart assistant support from Amazon, Apple, and Google, plus Roborock's very own built-in voice assistant, Hello Rocky. Security-minded users can even enable remote patrol and live viewing. Additional features include Matter support, off-peak charging, and deep carpet cleaning. The UI is clean, user-friendly, and highly customizable. Don't just take my word for it. Users have rated it 4.6 stars on Android and 4.8 stars on iOS. So how is the Saros 10 being received? It's currently sitting at 4.2 out of 5 stars, with users praising its vacuuming power, ease of setup, intuitive controls, and sleek design. Common criticisms include the premium price, obstacle avoidance, and mopping performance compared to rotating pad systems. Even top-tier models have areas to improve. Like the 10R, obstacle avoidance on carpet was only average in our tests. Interestingly, performance was much better on hard flooring. So if your home has mostly carpet, results may vary. Price is another sticking point. It's expensive, no doubt, but for a flagship model on the cutting edge, early adopters know that's part of the deal. Personally, my biggest gripe is with the FlexiArm Riser side brush. I wish it extended further and was more aggressive in corners. It does a decent job, but corner coverage isn't quite complete. And about that mop system, some reviewers criticize the non-rotating pad design, but honestly, I was impressed. In real-world use, it performs so closely to the 10R's rotating mop that most users won't notice any sort of difference. All things considered, the Roborock Saros 10 is an impressive flagship that pushes the boundaries of what a robot vacuum can do. With class-leading suction power, a thoughtful mop pad removal system, and one of the most feature-rich apps on the market, it's clear Roborock put a lot of engineering into this model. While it's not without flaws, namely average obstacle avoidance on carpet and a slightly underwhelming side brush, these are minor trade-offs in an otherwise outstanding package. If you're looking for a high-performance all-in-one robot vacuum and mop that delivers on power, convenience, and smart features, the Saros 10 absolutely earns its place at the top of the lineup.